Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, igfxEM module has stopped working error. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click Display Adapter. Right-click and update driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.